3 W4, same again 1, so write 1 here. Then here, since there is no units available, we'll put hyphen. That means it is no longer applicable. Then we look at here. Here again we'll see this only these two, F1, F2 are there, so we are not going to consider F3. So the column penalty here is 2. Here it is not there, already it is over. Now here it is only 6 and 7, that is 1, 8 and 9, that is 1, and here this is also not applicable. So now among all these things we find this 3 is highest penalty, so we apply, we will take here this 3. That means we have to make allocation in this column. In this, the least is occurring at 6 because this F1W1, F1W3, W4, these 3 cells only are applicable. So here least, so it is an obvious choice. 30 units are allocated, and out of 120, 30 are gone, 90 are remaining. Because only it can take 30, we have allocated 30. So now this column is also over. Now W2 is satisfied, W3 is satisfied, W5 is satisfied. Now we have only W1, W4. That means here penalty is 1. Now here W1, W4. So here 8, 12. So here 4, and then here it is no longer applicable. Then here we'll see 2, and it is not applicable. Here also this is not applicable because this is satisfied. Here only 8 and 9. That means 1. This is also not applicable. Now if you see only 2. So here 4 is there. So here we have to make allocation. So that means in the second row. Here in this is we require 90 units, but only 30 units are available. So these 30 units will make allocation. So here out of 90, 60 are still required, and these 30 units are also done. Now second row, F2 row is not applicable, F3 row is not applicable, similarly W2 is not applicable, W3 is not applicable, WD is not applicable. Only W4 and W1 are applicable. Actually, when we have allotted 10 here, we actually require 30 units. So the only cells that were available is W1, because W2 is not applicable, W3 is not applicable, WD is not. Only these two cells are applicable. So here this is the list where we will 60 have to be allocated. Now out of 90, this 60 is gone, 30 are there. So these 30 we are going to allocate in this cell because there are no other cells available. Now this is also satisfied. Now the entire allocation is completed using the dummy warehouse. Now we will calculate the cost of transportation. Plus 240 plus 0 plus 40 plus 350. So totally we are getting 1650. Now after this, for the same problem, we will try the total cost of transportation using the least cost method for the same problem by creating the dummy cell and all that. So we take the same table and apply least cost method. Right.